and welcome. Amigos, today we're going to be making a Youth Club favorite. Only today we're switching it up just a little bit. I want to get you ready for the holiday season or any occasion because we all know breakfast is good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And this is one of those recipes. We're going to be using a white sauce and I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing smothered breakfast burritos. And it doesn't stop there. I have a quick and easy salsa for you that is great for your chips and salsa and great for these burritos. Now let's go over the ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need a dozen of flour tortillas, refried beans, and here we have 8 pieces of bacon that I've already chopped and pre-cut, 6 chopped green onions, 1 dozen of eggs. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of baking powder and 1/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. And if you have fresh chicken broth, go ahead and use that. And if you so happen to buy all the chicken broth cans on sale, use that. Combine and set it to the side. I have 4 cups of cheese. On this side I have 2 cups of medium cheddar, and on this side I have a mixture of asadero and Oaxaca cheese. If you're going to be using Mexican cheese blend, go ahead and use 4 cups, and you can always adjust this to your liking.
Oh, so you've got the 2 eggs in each one of your hands.
Yes, amigos, we're going to kick it off with cracking our eggs. But today I'm not going to show off too much because then you guys, I don't know how you feel about that. Do I show off?
I know you're doing your best for them. You want to impress them. That's sweet.
Okay, let's do it. Woo! Leave your jokes in the comments. To your eggs, you want to add your heavy whipping cream and your baking powder. We want to make some really fluffy eggs.
Oh, you're really beating the eggs.
Yes, you have to beat it and beat it.
Why?
You know why, Cloud?
I know.
Because nobody wants to be defeated at breakfast time.
That's true. Everybody's so hungry.
Once you've combined your eggs well, go ahead and set them to the side. Place your burner on a medium heat and add your butter. Yay, friends, I have butter in my home again. I'm so excited.
Thanks, baby.
And I got so excited that I bought Cloud some butter.
Thank you, sweetheart. Lady said she couldn't function without butter. I think we stressed her out. Don't worry, lady. We are okay. I have some ghee that I use for my popcorn.
Amiga, I was stressed out too. I was about to dig into the popcorn corn butter. What is it? No, it's like a coconut butter from the blend, but it wasn't going to be the same. And once your butter melts, you want to add your all-purpose flour. Did I say flour? That's my Mexican side. It's flour. Sorry, guys. Flour.
And hello to our Spanish-speaking friends. She just used harina.
Wow, Chloe, thank you for the translation. We love it. Once you add your all-purpose flour, you don't want to cook it more than about 20 seconds because it's going to burn and that's not what we want to do. And once we're set here, we're going to add our heavy whipping cream. And mix and mix and mix. And when you're adding your chicken broth, go ahead and add that gradually. Once you've combined all your ingredients, we're going to keep this on a medium heat and we're going to stir occasionally for the next 4 to 5 minutes. We just want it to thicken up just a little bit. And you want to keep an eye out while you're mixing periodically because it did get really hot in here. So just make sure to lower your temperature if that happens. But you just want a nice, smooth, creamy sauce. Don't overcook it. It's going to be anywhere from 4 to 5 minutes. Take it easy. You got this. Now we're going to set this to the side and get started on our eggs. Set your burner on a medium heat and add a little bit of oil. I'm using avocado today, but you know what? I think you should make it comfortable for your home. Sorry, I've been greedy. After about a minute that your oil's been warmed up here, you want to add your papations. And if you don't know what papation is, can you tell them what papation are?
Those are potatoes, but you say it in Spanish when you can't have the translated word correctly. You add the ation to it. Papation. But they're papas.
It's the slang word for potatoes.
Yes. Like, for example, if you wanted to say amor, you would say amoration.
Amoration. Good job, Chloe. Amoration. And then you want to add your pre-cooked bacon. Baconation.
Wow. Okay, guys, those are papas and tocino. Potatoes and bacon.
Add your green onions. And before we add our eggs, you can season this a little bit. If you like salty food, go ahead and add a little bit of salt. And you can also add a little bit of black pepper. Just don't add the seasoning straight to your eggs for this particular recipe. And now you're going to place your burner on a low temperature. Nobody wants stinky, overcooked, burned egg. You want them nice and fluffy. So go ahead and add your egg. Pour them right on in. And now you're just going to pull the eggs from the outer rim to the center, just like this. And you're just going to move it around until your eggs are fully cooked. And once your eggs are perfectly cooked, and you know, if some get seared here, you friends, Cloud and I got chatty. It's okay, just mix it up. Nobody's going to see it. It's still going to taste good. And we're going to set this to the side so we can start assembling our burritos. Cloud's going to taste the filling because she can't resist.
I already had one of the papas that flew out and it was perfectly seasoned.
Oh, it magically flew out?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Mmm. They're spongy and they're well seasoned, and I'm loving the green onions in here.
They are spongy.
What a good choice.
Van a comer rico! Take some of your sauce and place it on your baking dish.
This sauce is so good. I'm going to use it for biscuits and gravy.
You know, why you have to ruin what we have next for everybody? Now that Cloud ruined it, we're going to make you biscuits and gravies for our next recipe, but it's going to be a la mexicana, and you guys are going to love it.
It's going to be amor a la mexicana.
Hi!
Macho.
Now place your baking dish to the side. To your flour tortilla, you want to add some beans. I'll say that.
And hunches. So good.
You're so lame. You're like the person that claps, like the late clapper. You're like hand on the chin.
Every time. They clapper, they starter, they bloomer, and that's okay, kids. Be yourself. Even if you have someone bullying you.
Hey, Cloud. I'm not bullying you.
I bully you.
No mirada lo que me hizo de tomar. Cloud, if you guys have to know, Cloud made me a tequila drink, friends. You know, let's have a little fun, okay?
Salud, Sonora style.
Salud.
Because we have trust issues.
I think everybody from Sonora has trust issues.
That's right. That's why we cheer like that. Everyone from Sonora from the bottom.
All right, here comes your Mexican mama. Place the filling inside of your burrito.
That's what I guess.
No, we're not. We're gonna keep it. Cloud's trying to make me cut this out, but I think you guys deserve to hear. So for those of you that need extra cheese, I suggest you add a little bit extra cheese in here, but I'm gonna load it up over the top. You know how I do it. So now it's time to just, fold your burrito. There's various of ways, but since I used organic flour to make these tortillas, I'm gonna fold it this way today.
Okay.
And now we're just gonna place it in our tray. And I'm gonna continue with the remaining burritos. Once you've assembled your burritos, you wanna just lay the sauce over gently. Just really fall in love.
Views Club Junior washing dishes, we love you too.
This is for you. And you're gonna eat every last
And
bit.
the teenagers that don't do anything and just sleep in and enjoy the food, we love you too. You need to sleep and you need to rest your mind. We love you.
For those of you that are growing peacefully, yes, you need these burritos. So just let it happen. And next, you're gonna layer your burritos with your desired amount of cheese. And friends, you know what we're gonna do next? We're gonna give our wet burritos a medium cheddar mohawk right here down the middle. When it melts, it's gonna blend into our white melty cheese so beautifully, and you're just not gonna regret this part. Cheese lovers, please talk to me in the comments. Let me know I'm not going through this alone. Oh my goodness.
So beautiful.
And now we're gonna bake these breakfast burritos in the oven at 380 degrees, especially with a regular oven.
Yeah, I think last time we did 30 minutes.
30? Yeah, just until your cheese melts because everything's already cooked. While our breakfast burritos are baking, we're gonna make a breakfast salsa. I know Mexican people, we eat chile with everything, and these burritos are no different. You're gonna need half a roasted onion, 1 roasted jalapeno, 2 roasted tomatoes, 4 roasted garlics, a little bunch of cilantro, 3 chipotles, make sure to remove the seeds unless you want them in there, 1 tablespoon of salt, and key lime if you like more of a citrus, but if you like more of a savory, you can keep that out. And now you want to blend until smooth. We're going to blend at max a 3. And boom, done. And boom, done. Who's ready for a taste?
Are you currently on a keto diet or considering to start one? Then stop for a second. I have a free download of the most popular keto recipes for you that will skyrocket your ketosis. Now, if you're not interested in keto, you can skip this video right now. This is for keto dieters only. I repeat, if you're not interested in keto, you may want to skip this video and watch something different. This is intended for keto dieters who love to indulge in tasty recipes. Hi, my name is Claudia Caldwell, and in the past few years, I've helped over 100,000 women shed their unwanted body weight, fit back into all their cute clothes, and reach their desired weight. And all of them had one thing in common: they followed the keto diet. And today, I would like to grant you free access to my easiest and fastest keto recipes that I've collected over the years. Now, I've compiled my best and tastiest recipes into a small collection that I would like to offer you for free download today, so that you can kickstart your keto diet and you don't have to waste time searching the internet for recipes. My recipe collection contains mouth-watering keto recipes, all with simple ingredients and easy instructions. And this recipe collection was made for ordinary people who suffer from complex recipes that include hours of preparing and cooking. I mean, those recipes make a good cooking show, but nobody can follow them in real life. My recipe collection is different. I wanted to compile a collection of my best and easiest keto recipes that everybody can follow. And this keto recipe collection is perfect for couples, families, and also seniors. No matter if you're living on a fixed budget or have little time to cook, you'll be surprised how fast and easy these recipes are. And you can download all the recipes for free today if you just click on the blue download button. And if you're watching this video on your smartphone, you can find the download button right below this video. Just click the blue button and you'll get forwarded to the download page and can start browsing through my recipes in just a few minutes from now. And if you're watching this on your computer, you'll find a small download button in the bottom left corner of this video. So just click on it and download your free keto recipe collection today.